Hey guys, this is Jimmy. Finally, the 9th Gen Intel CPU coming to laptop. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the first 9th Gen laptop you can buy in the market, Destroy KP2 from China, a company called Shinelon. It features the latest Intel Core i5 CPU 9600K. Spec-wise, look like it's even faster than last gen Core i9 model. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, the box is so heavy. Let's see what's inside.
Let's take a look at the spec of this machine. Besides the 9th Gen Core i5 9600K, there is a pre-overclocked GTX 1060, 8 gigs of DDR4 2600 and 500 gigs NVMe SSD. There it is, another box. These boxes are so tight. Notebook computer. Come on, the design of the box is so minimalism. I guess because this is the earlier release version. Here we go. First, we have a mouse pad. Looks good. The size is decent. Also, it comes a gaming mouse. This one at least $20. Oh, the power brick is so cool. Let's compare it with the Galaxy Note 8. You can see that. Oh my god. And this one is crazy heavy. And we have the power cord. Finally, we have the monster with the 9th Gen i5 9600K. This 6-core CPU features a base clock at 3.7 GHz, and all 6 cores can run at 4.3 GHz. Some paperworks.
Oh, you can see that? The 9th Gen Core i5.
Labels. Finally, here comes the laptops.
Here it is.
This laptop comes with a matte 15-inch IPS display with 72% NTSC color gamut. I gotta say, this is a heavy-duty laptop. On the left side, we can see a ventilation hole. The A cover is aluminum. Let's check out the back of the laptop. There is another huge ventilation on the right side. The design is cool. On the right side, we got all kinds of ports. On the front, looks like we got 2 front-facing speakers and a status light. The machine is heavy. It weighs about 6 pounds. Let's look at the bottom. Wow! The all bottom are covered by air ventilation. We can see that the rated power input here is 230 watts. What a power horse! That's it. Let's power up the machine. Here we go. In the first glance, the design language is really similar to last gen's Alien 15, especially the touchpad. Wow, RGB keyboards. And the Shinelon logo is cool. This machine comes along with Windows 10 pre-installed. I guess it will take some time to properly set up. Let's take a detailed look on the machine first. One interesting thing here is because this laptop is so early to the market. So the 9th Gen Intel Inside label is not yet ready when this machine is assembled in the factory. So we have to do it ourselves. We can see that there's some fancy circuit light design on the label. And we'll put the label here. Okay, good job. Now, within 10 seconds, we have a brand new 9th Gen Intel Core i5 laptop by do it ourselves. The first impression of this laptop is so quiet. Although it features a 3.7 GHz 9th Gen Core i5 CPU, but you can barely hear the fan noise. Second, the keyboard is good. The typing experience is so close to a ThinkPad keyboard. Finally, the viewing angle of the IPS display is so good. I love the matte display so much. The design language of this laptop is all about RGB lightings. You can see the A cover, keyboard, and the mouse are all RGB lightings. Here, I want to mention this 230-watt power brick. It's almost 2 pounds. The most surprising part of this machine is the ventilation design on the D cover. We can see that there are a bunch of heat pipes and one fan on the left, one fan on the right. I'm expecting very good performance release on this 9th Gen Core i5 CPU.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Coming up next, we'll set up this machine, run some test bench, and take it as our daily driver, edit YouTube videos. So make sure you subscribe our channel, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next time.